This is R11B, the Unit 11 review, and we're going to look at some equations where we're solving for the angle theta. So on number 2, we're given cosine theta is negative root 3 over 2, and we're going to look here at part B. We're given a restriction that theta has to be between 180 degrees and 360 degrees, so in this third and fourth quadrant, and cosine is negative root 3 over 2. So in that case, the only angle we could be at is here where cosine is negative root 3 over 2 at 210 degrees. Now looking at number 7a, we're given an equation to solve. We need to first isolate the cosine of theta before we can do anything else. So here there's a negative 1 on both sides. If we add 1, those cancel out. So we have 4 cosine of theta equals 2 root 2. Then to isolate the cosine theta, I need to divide by 4. So that's cosine of theta equals 2 square root of 2 over 4. And the 2 and the 4 reduce, so that's root 2 over 2. So if cosine of theta is root 2 over 2, and I can be anywhere between 0 and 360 degrees, positive root 2 over 2 occurs at 45 degrees, and also at 315 degrees. So both of those are possible values of theta. On number 8, we're solving for theta in radians, so anywhere from 0 to 2 pi. And in part A, we have an equation 5 times the sine of theta equals negative 1 times the sine of theta. The only time that 5 times the value of sine theta would be the same as negative 1 times the sine of theta is if sine of theta was equal to 0. That's the only time that this equation would ever be true. So let's look on our unit circle for where sine is 0. So a 0 vertical height occurs both at 0 radians, but also at pi radians.